Hi again folks, Stratman here from pipware.com. Saw another trading opportunity and thought I'd video it and give you another idea of some of the methods I employ in trading. I'll say straight up on this one, I ended this trade at break even. I didn't really see it going anywhere, and we'll discuss why I entered and when, and why I exited. Okay, so here we go. This is the M15 chart using the dashboard here. Looking at the moving averages, and I can see that I've got good distance, minus 50 away to my H1, and I've got 10 pips and 2 pips above me on my other moving averages. Everything's looking good there for doing a, in terms of the H1, it would be a counter trend trade. In terms of the other two, I'll be going short, and that will be with the trend. Knowing that in the past little while we've had some down moves, so I'm seeing this on the M15 as a retracement, and now looking to enter. So I've seen that we've broken a bit of a trend line that's up here, and so what I'm after is I'm wanting to see again a retracement back here and enter there. I don't like entering just basically solely on the fact that we've gone lower and lower. That's not my style. I like to always enter on pullbacks. Even though this is a pullback on a larger time frame, I'm looking for a pullback on a smaller time frame as well. So if we look at the pipware charts, we can see on the M15 there's the SMA 60. We've broken through the SMA 60, and what I'm seeing here is what I quite often see, which is now a test of the underside of the SMA 60. And so my expectation is price is going to, after breaking through here, test it, and then hopefully there's a high probability that price will go downwards. And we're looking at the M5 here. Possibly we'll come up and do a little bit more testing there. And the M1's certainly doing a pull up into this, and we may see a continuation to the downside here, we've made a lower low, we've made a lower low here, and lower low compared to this one. I'm expecting a lower high here, and that's what it's all about. So that's the definition of a trend, folks. Lower lows and lower highs, like this, lower high compared to previous, lower low compared to previous. That's a downtrend as far as I'm concerned. And same here. I'm expecting a lower high to be made. I've certainly had a lower low made if I had a look back in time on the M1. So when that lower high is made and we break this kind of trend line here, I'm getting in. Okay, so let's kick this video off, and again we'll be flicking backwards and forwards between my Ducoscopy platform and this. We're looking at M15 right now. So price has pulled back up into here. We've bounced off on the M1. I've pulled my stop down to just below that candle, less than 10 pips. You can see we've broken on the M1 and M5, and I'm into a short trade. Trade is developing. I think we're getting up to about 4 pips or 5 pips or so. You see I'm keeping my stop here. Just waiting for it to kind of get past the bottom of here. What I'm interested in is that it's broken its H4 low previously, but what I'm seeing is the trade's not really developing how I'd like it to develop. So I'm starting to consider that maybe this is not going to turn out to be a good trade. If this comes up and goes above my SMA 60 there, I'm really looking to get out. So I'm monitoring the trade quite carefully. Again, we've got a bounce off the M1 SMA 60, which was good, but what I'm seeing is that we may form another a higher low here, and this is the M1 time frame. So I mean, we haven't really moved substantially below where I'd hoped to move on M1. So and there it goes, it's pulling all the way up into the top of here, and we could even make a higher high here on the M1. So I'm quickly pulling my stop down to just above that point. I don't want to lose money unnecessarily, so I don't like chasing trades that are not developing. So watching this one, I can see that it's now coming down into here, and because this wasn't really a good move below, I'm really looking to pull out, and in fact I do pull out as soon as I get into about +1 pip, just to cover my commission on Duca's copy. So there it goes, just below, and I'm pretty sure I would have pulled out of this very quickly after this point. So there we go, you can see my stop disappear. That was me pull out of the trade. So going back to the bigger picture here, we can see it really hasn't been developing into something, and you know, just wanted to get out at break even. You know, in the end, I looked at this a little bit later on, and in fact, look, it didn't develop into a good trade at all. I could have, if I tried to hold on to that trade, I would have been about, I could have retraced on me about 20 to 30 pips. So glad I got out at break even. So hope that helps a few of you guys and gals, and I'll try to post a few more videos in the future.